Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best free VPN for Mobile Legends. You can install this amazing VPN on any operating system you have. Let's start. In the first step, we need to download the application. For example, on Android device, open Play Store. Then search Betternet. Download and install this application. Now let me show you how to work with this amazing application. Open the app. In the first step, because we want to use this VPN for free, scroll left and select Proceed with Ads. Finally, tap on Connect here. To set up a VPN, choose OK. Betternet VPN is a free and unlimited VPN proxy for your device and masks your IP address, encrypt your internet traffic, turns public Wi-Fi into a private network. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.